Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Inspired with Anushka. As we all have discussed that we will start the topic of standard 8. So we will today watch the syllabus of standard 8. But firstly I would like to ask you that how are you? I think you all are fine. So let's start the
Air
study.
and water. We will start the topic first, the crop production or the chapter agriculture. Crop production. This chapter contains the different type of crop plants, horticulture crop session, basic agriculture practices, selection of location and nature of soil, preparation of soil, selection of seeds and sowing, irrigation, application of fertilizers and manure, weeding, protection of crop, harvesting, storage of food grains, crop improvement, nitrogen fixation, nitrogen cycle, food from the animal sources, dairy, poultry or poultry care, fisheries and apiculture. We will start the topic first. What is crop plants? Crop plants comes under the section of agriculture. Agriculture is a Greek word which means ager and culture. Ager it means field and culture मतलब cultivate करना. तो जब भी हम अगर फील्ड में बहुत लार्ज अमाउंट में कोई चीज़ कल्टिवेट कर रहे हैं तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, एग्रीकल्चर बोलेंगे. और क्रॉप प्लांट्स क्या होते हैं? क्रॉप प्लांट्स, द प्लांट्स विच आर ग्रोन इन द लार्ज क्वांटिटी इन द फील्ड आर कॉल्ड द क्रॉप प्लांट्स. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हॉर्टिकल्चर. हॉर्टिकल्चर क्या होता है? तो हॉर्टिकल्चर व्हेन वी प्रोड्यूस अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, दैट्स लाइक लार्ज scale cultivation of vegetable, fruits and flower plant is called horticulture crop. तो horticulture में आता क्या क्या है? गार्डन आते हैं. Hortus means garden and culture means cultivate. So cultivating the garden on a large field or large area is called horticulture. Vegetable and fruits provides us minerals and vitamins so that these are very essential for our food sections. And a list of some horticulture crops are given in the table. You can look here. That's like vegetable in which potato, tomato, cabbage, spinach, onion and radish comes. Then the second is fruits in which the orange, bananas, grapes, guava, apple, mango, papaya comes. Then decorative plants such as carotan, cactus and etc. Flowers such as rose, jasmine, marigold and bells. Then the next topic is crop session. In our country, there are two main crop sessions. These are the Rabi and the Kharif one. You all were aware with this topic in the previous classes. The Rabi crops are those which are sown in the last month of October and November to March and April. Rabi crops sown in the beginning of winter and harvested in March and April. For example, wheat, gram, barley, potato are the Rabi crops. The next session is the session of Kharif crops. Kharif session starts from June to July and ends to September to October. The example of Kharif crops are rice, maize, groundnut, cotton, pulse, jowar are some Kharif crops. So you can get some question answer written in the description box. This is from the previous topics which we have discussed up till now. So you will try to solve the question, and if you have any problem then comment me in the comment section, and definitely tomorrow I will first try to give the answer of these questions, and then after we will continue the topics. The next topic is basic agricultural practices. Basic it means normal, agriculture it means farming, and practices matlab the thing which we are usually do whenever we do the agriculture. So the various tasks performed by the farmer to produce good crop is called the basic agricultural practices. Basic agricultural practices includes the topic and some list which are given in the point wise here. That's the first one is the selection of location and nature of soil, preparation of soil by plowing, labeling and manuring, selection of seeds, sowing by using seed drills or by transplantation of seedlings. Then the next point is application of manure, fertilizer and light irrigation, weeding by using the trowel or harrow or by using the weedicides. Then after irrigation, crop protection, harvesting by using a sickle or mechanical harvester, threshing and winnowing by using the thresher or combine, storage of food grains. We will now describe these basic practices in details. Selection of location and nature of soil. That where we have to do this agriculture practices, first we would select the land for that, and what's the nature of soil that is required for the variety of crop, this must be discussed first. So the crop field should be open so that the sufficient air and sunlight are available to the plants. The field should be fenced from the side so that stray cattle are not able to harm the crops. The soil should contain all the nutrition needed by the crops. The soil may be get tested for its quality at any soil testing center. Preparation of soil. Soil preparation is done in three ways, that is plowing, manuring and labeling. Plowing. The process of losing and turning up of the soil is called tilling or plowing. Plowing has different advantages, such as it permits easy and deeper penetration of roots, it provides good aeration to the root, it promotes growth of useful soil bacteria. These bacteria provide nutrient to the soil. After plowing, the next session is of labeling. Labeling the soil, it means pressing the soil with a wooden block so that it would make the field plain. After doing this, we break and curse the bigger chunks of the dry soil into the smaller pieces. Then after, it will help in protect upper layer of the soil from erosion by wind or water. Then after, it also prevents water logging, means stagnant water को होने से रोकता है, water logging, and promotes uniform irrigation, यानी एक समान वे में पूरे फील्ड में इरिगेशन की फैसिलिटी हो सके. Next level is of manuring. Manures are added to the soil before sowing. Manures को हम कब डालते हैं soil में? किसी खेत में फसल को लगाने से पहले. तो mixing of manure is called manuring. So manure is maybe of the organic substance obtained from the vegetable and animal based decomposers or by the microorganism. Manures are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Besides providing nutrition to the soils, manure also improves the physical condition of the soil. Some important and commonly used manures are here. Farmyard manure. This type of manure mainly consists of animal dung, straw, leaves, which are the remaining part of the agriculture. Then the second is green manure. It consists of the agricultural waste, commonly from the leguminous crops, which is plowed back into the soil. प्रीवियस जो भी प्लांट हम लोगों ने ग्रो किया है उस फील्ड में, उसके जो रिमेनिंग होंगे, उसके जो डेड एंड डिकेइंग पार्ट्स होंगे प्लांट्स के, डेट विल ऑल्सो बी यूजफुल एज अ मैन्योर. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज कंपोस्ट मैन्योर. कंपोस्ट मैन्योर इज मेड अप ऑफ कैटल सेड, वेस्ट एंड ड्राई लीव्स, जिसे हम लोग घर में भी प्रिपेयर फार्मर करते हैं. और आज के टाइम में कंपोस्ट मैन्योर सबसे ज़्यादा ही मोस्ट ऑफ द बहुत हार्ड अमाउंट में यूज़ किया जा रहा है क्रॉप को बढ़ाने के लिए. Selection of seed and sowing. After the field is prepared, seeds are selected that what type of seed we have to grow in our field. While selecting seeds, we have to keep something in the mind, that is select only good quality and disease resistant seeds which cannot easily be destroyed by the insecticides, pesticides, or it must be of disease resistant. Then treat the seed with the fungicides before sowing. Seeds are then sown in the field by any of the two methods described below. By scattering them in the field by hand, that is called broadcasting. We spread the seeds in our field with the help of our hands. No machine is needed for that, and this is the traditional way which we are practicing from the early days, from where we have started the agriculture. The second is by using the seed drills. This is a technical way to sow the seeds, and nowadays these are being practiced A seed driller consists of a set of long vertical tubes with a funnel shaped seed ball at the top. Here you can see the diagram of the simple seed driller in which there is a ball like structure. Here we will keep the seeds, and these are the tubes which can pass directly the seeds to the soil one by one, and after this the holes are made by these pointed areas, and the seed is directly in the parallel way sown towards in the field. The next topic is transplantation. For certain crops such as rice, tomato, onion, chilies, seeds are not directly sown in the field. In these plants, the seeds are first sown in the small seed beds called the nursery. When the seedlings have 4 to 5 leaves, then the healthy seedlings are transferred to the main field. And the advantage of transplantation is transplantation enables the selective cultivation of healthy seedlings. This results in the better crop production. ट्रांसप्लांटेशन में एक चीज़ का बेनिफिट होता है कि हम सिर्फ उसी प्लांट को सेलेक्ट करते हैं जो हमें लगता है कि कैपेबल है और हेल्दी है. सो इट कैन प्रोड्यूस अ हाई अमाउंट ऑफ क्रॉप्स for which we have sown it. And the next is transplantation permits better root penetration into the soil. The roots have beard its strength so that it can easily penetrate the soil because the soil has been loosened first. And the next is transplantation allow better shoot development. The shoot, it means the upper part of the plant, the apex of the plant which is now growing. So the transplantation also helps in the better development of shoot part, the plant which is grow towards the sun and opposite to the root, that is called shoot. Irrigation. Seed need water to germinate. Without water, the germination process will not be completed. Plant need water to draw nutrition from the soil for their growth and for making food by photosynthesis. Fields are generally irrigated with water from canals, rivers, deep well, tube well. Various methods used for irrigation crops are shown below. That is, the sandy soil needs more water than clay soil. So it's the property of different type of soils that it can contain or absorb water inside it or not. So on the basis of that, we will give water to the soil. Different crop need different amount of water at different stage of growth. Plants जैसे जैसे बढ़ रहे हैं वैसे वैसे उनकी amount of water carrying capacity और उनको जो अपने growth के लिए जो water need होता है उसकी quantity हमेशा बढ़ती जाती है slowly जैसे उनका growth हो रहा है. More water is needed before tilling, at the flowering and at the grain development stage. Wheat, gram and cotton crops need irrigation at regular interval but not the starting water. Starting time में जब plants को हम लोगों ने grow किया उस समय उन्हें water नहीं चाहिए और जैसे जैसे फिर उनमें growth हो रहा है उसमें regular interval से हमेशा monthly या फिर after 15 days we would consistently giving water to the plants. Paddy is transplanted in standing water. Paddy सिर्फ एक ऐसा प्लांट है जिसे आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. Paddy is rarely mostly grown in the field which is full of water first and it needs continuous irrigation. Here we can see the examples there. Swing basket method, how can we put water and how can we provide irrigation to the crops. The different ways are given here. Water wheel method, फिर lift irrigation method, फिर tube wells method and sprinkle method. The last topic of today is water logging. Water logging it means पानी का कहीं भी जमाव होना. When too much water is given to the soil, it become wet. मिट्टी ज़्यादा गीली हो जाती है एंड वाटर एब्जॉर्बिंग कैपेसिटी जो होती है सॉइल की वो धीरे धीरे रिड्यूस होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. वाटर एक्यूमुलेट्स अराउंड द प्लांट और हमेशा प्लांट्स के आसपास सॉइल एक्यूमुलेट होने की वजह की जगह पे क्या हो जाता है, वाटर एक्यूमुलेट हो जाता है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द एक्सेसिव इरिगेशन और वाटर लॉगिंग। और इसी प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? वाटर लॉगिंग बोलते हैं। एक्सेसिव इरिगेशन इज़ हार्मफुल टू द क्रॉप इन द फॉलोइंग वेज। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ पानी ही सॉइल को दें तो क्रॉप का ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि एज वी हैव read that water contains so many minerals and so many nutrition that is beneficial for the plant, but we know that anything is given more than its limit, then it always show its bad effect only. So the excess water and wet soil do not permits proper aeration of the soil, seeds, root of the plant. पानी अगर ज़्यादा जमा हो जाएगा तो इट विल क्रिएट अ लेयर बिटवीन द एटमोसफेयर एंड सॉइल, सो द ऑक्सीजन और द एयर विल नॉट डायरेक्टली कम टू द सॉइल, एंड दैट्स वाई एयरेशन प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट्स. Water logging increases the amount of salt in the soil and damages the soil fertility. Water contains some amount of soil with it. We would not say that only the marine water or the water which comes from the sea contains the salt, but mainly the water which is normal also, it must contain some percentage of salt with it, then it can damage the fertility of soil.
So friends, if you liked my video, then please press the like button, subscribe it and share it with your friends so that I will be motivated for some more ones. Thanks for watching.